Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Tower of Hell. So let's get started playing. So, world. Okay, so we're going to get started right away. And make sure to like, subscribe, and comment up. Oh my god. This is the worst one. I don't like this one. Wait. I like doing it like this. I'm not sure. Okay. God, I get so mad. Um. Oh, yeah. How? Oh, okay, the timer is almost out. I might just Okay, so okay. Wait. I literally jumped. It's so difficult. Perfect. Was that just my sister? Is she playing? No, she's not playing. No. Dun 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 dun. I can text her right here. But I'm playing, so I'll text her later for the next video. Oh yeah, someone buy low gravity. I think that's what it's called. Oh my. It's not easy playing all these on a computer. What? I just skipped. Oh my god. Whew. Maybe I should just... Wait, is it my favorite level? Aww, it's like, you know, like those cubes and then like spins around, like, that one's the easiest for me. They added a level and fast mode. Oh, we're going fast. What? How? Oh my god. So hard. I'm going back to Noob Towers, I guess. I almost won at a Pro Tower game. I was like on the second level, like right here. Like right here, and then like I fell. I always make it on the Noob Towers and the Pro Towers, but I literally fall on my phone and stuff. It's just, why does that happen? Oh my god, you know how angry I get. Why is there a little monkey? Monkey banana! What? No, my god. I'm going back to Poda. I'm just gonna keep switching. In the world? Oh, this one's kind of like my favorite too. This one's pretty easy. Oh my god! Oh, it's the Pro Towers though. Yeah, I'm not very good at Pro Towers anymore. What is it? Wait, let me get a little more light. Wait. Okay, now that's good. Okay. Oh my god. I'm just like focusing and it's not helping me. Oh my god. Could anyone explain why I'm losing? I want to go for a harder one. This one's too hard. Cool. I'm gonna try to do this one. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. I am not a pro. Oh yes. I like this sound. Do you guys not hear me sometimes? I'm like oh my, I don't like the shift button. Boing. Look at me. How am I doing this? Okay. 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Oh, it's me. Alright. This one calls Look Ahead. Look up. Head, you get it? Yeah, I don't get it. I don't really get it. I don't really get it. I don't really get it, dude. Let's do. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Don't. Oh my. Not even gonna say a word. Let's go. Oh, mamma mia. You know what would be easier, guys? Wait. Boing. Spotted. Okay. Oh my god. That now would be easy. Wait, what just happened? I'm good at snapping. Oh my god. Mamma mia. Oh my god. Let's stay home tonight. Oh my god, I keep going longer. Why am I so mad? Yeah, that's not how I really sing. I'm too scared to sing it. That's my fear. Not really, but just like, I don't want to do it. Dun 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 dun. Oh man! Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Boing 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 boing. Okay, let's try to do this. Work hard, work hard, work hard, work hard, work. Okay, guys, we're gonna end it here. I hope you will say bye. Bye. Wait, like, subscribe, and comment. I'm just gonna say, oh my god, I'm the highest. Oh yeah, yes. Okay, I'm still proud of myself because I'm the highest. So like, bye.